Abandoned hotel. Yeah, days in. Lots of cups. Dang, they left their TVs. Look at all these TVs. Wow. More TVs. This would have been a meeting room. A lot of mold. Whoa, what's back there? This way. Look at this. I think this is like a kitchen or something. Holy cow. It's the kitchen. Whoa. Whoa. Holy crap. Lots of knives. A spider web.
I have no idea anything about this location. I can only assume it was a days in because that's what the sign outside looks like.
That's what the cup said. Look at these fryers, man. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Oh my, this has been empty for a minute because look how rusted this is. Something touched me.
I can't imagine this much decay happening.
Okay. Straws. Here's their linens for banquets, like the colorful napkins. Lots of cups.
Yeah, still got a lot of linens left. I know they didn't take anything.
Lots of chairs. Ugh, spider webs. This would have been a beautiful front desk area. Or lobby area. That's probably maybe the front desk over there. And like a little fireplace or something there.
I just don't want it locked in there.
Well, that doesn't look like it locks. We don't have to go too far.
Is this like a bar, disco area maybe? Something, dance area?
I think so. Look, this is crazy. This would have been a restaurant had to be. Restaurant area. Lounge, maybe?
Yeah, lounge. That's what I was trying to think of. Lounge with these lights right here.
But look out here at the rooms, man. Look at that. I really want to get out there. Oh my gosh, we gotta go out there. Look at that. We've gotta go out there.
Well, we may not see the whole thing, but we're going to see quite a bit of it.
Oh, we're gonna see. Oh, geez.
That's a roof caving in?
Yeah, I want to say it is. Wow, that's a mess. Dang.
This place is definitely seen better days.
There's always got to be a chair just chilling, as the proper people say. Look at this place, man. This is nuts. I want to at least check out one room. Christmas tree. There's always Christmas. This is the coolest place. This probably would have been like a tiki bar or something. Page from the Bible, Exodus 30.
Tiki bar?
I'm gonna say this is the tiki bar.
Hey, toilet paper!
Hey, yay.
I know where I come if there's any more COVID and I need toilet paper.
Whole time. I don't know. I'll be right back. So there's what we see as a mini pot pot. Here's the pool. Green water. You can see how deep it is based on that chair there. The roof over there. No view here. Okay. Now we're going back into the moldy room. Vines growing on the walls there. She's already in here somewhere. This is moldy. Ooh. Stuff dangling from the ceilings. Ooh, look at this hallway.
Definitely crashed, that's for sure.
There's a bathroom. Ooh, look at that. That's some bathroom. Ooh, there's a chair. Nice hallway. Well, this wall looks much better than the last one. Doesn't look... The TV's still here. Here's outside. This is room 141.